In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply two columns in Notion. If you are tracking anything like sales, inventory, or event counts, being able to multiply two columns is a simple way to get instant totals per row. In this walkthrough, we'll multiply a price column by a quantity column to create a running total for each item in your Notion database. First, make sure your database already has two columns set up as number properties. For example, you might have one called price and another called quantity. This matters because formulas expect numeric inputs. If a property is set to text, Notion won't calculate it the way you want. If you are unsure, click the column header and confirm the property type is number so values like 9.99 or 3 are recognized correctly. Next, add a new property to hold the result. On the right side of your table header, click the plus button to create a new column. When prompted for the property type, choose Formula. A formula property lets Notion compute values automatically for every row using other columns as inputs. Give this new column a clear name, like Total, so it's easy to read and sort later. Then click any cell in the new formula column to open the formula editor. You'll see a small window where you can type or build your expression. In the editor, enter the formula that multiplies your two columns. Use the prop function to reference each column by its exact name, in quotes, and connect them with the multiplication symbol. It should look like this. Prop prices * prop quantity. If your columns have different names, simply replace price and quantity with those names, keeping the quotes. To avoid typos, you can start typing prop and select the column from the suggestions Notion provides. When you are done, click Done. Notion will immediately apply the formula to every row. Wherever both price and quantity contain numbers, you'll see the total populate automatically. If the result doesn't appear as expected, double-check that both input properties are set to number and that the names in your formula match the column headers exactly. As a quick tip, once your totals are showing, you can adjust how the numbers display, like choosing decimal places or currency from the column's formatting options. That can make your totals easier to read at a glance. And that's it. You've multiplied two columns in Notion using a formula property and the prop function. Thanks for watching.